morning, everybody, and welcome to California, day 4. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
California, here we come, right back where we started from. California, California. Here we come.
Right now, it is 8:18 a.m. and Fadre and I are gonna go and get some breakfast at Downtown Disney for Madre, Fadre, and I. So I think we're gonna hit up Jamb. Definitely need to get a Caribbean Passion because it's the bomb. Can we just take a moment for the color of this? Isn't it beautiful, Faj?
It is.
Fadre got oatmeal, which looks pretty good too.
Yeah, it is. It's actually good.
This is the Island Pattaya bowl. And then I got the Caribbean Passion like always. And then here's our view. So we had breakfast, put some makeup on, and now we're gonna head out to California Adventure Park. We're gonna try and go on the Soaring Over California ride. It's only open on the weekends right now. I'm so excited! Soaring Over California was good, as it always is. But now we're gonna head over to the big park, or Magic Kingdom as they call it in Florida. So, yeah, I'm really excited. Probably gonna go on Star Tours. Got some Mickey beignets and coffee going. So we finished our little snack and I have my coffee here. Now we're gonna head over to see what the lineup looks like at It's a Small World, and then we're gonna get some lunch. We got ourselves a little whip from the Dole. Looks bomb. Right, Mom?
Yes, looks bomb.
Rhyming all the time.
You need to send it to Gordon.
Oh man, it's too good. Turn around, model it, model it.
Yes.
Oh yeah, look at that body. So It's a Small World lineup was 45 minutes, so that we get some food instead. We'll go back to that one later. Right now it's just a little bit long, that's all.
I'm into it.
Ooh, try it.
Oh, minty.
Seriously appreciating this backpack, sir. Seriously appreciating it. Now it is time for Star Tours. Super excited. So we finished up at the It's a Small World. Now we're gonna head back to the hotel, or at least I am. And the parents are gonna go to the Wine Country Trattoria. Hey guys, so I'm back in the hotel right now. My parents decided they wanted to go get a drink, and I was feeling pretty like I hit the wall. Or at least I was running at the wall, and it was close. You know what I mean? It may have had to do with the Small World music, I don't know. I liked the ride a lot, it's just, you know, after a while the music gets a little bit, you know, hoo-hoo. But that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. But now I think I'm just going to kind of chill out, take off my shoes. Tonight we do have the electric parade and the fireworks. So that's why I'm kind of back here now, just kind of chilling a little bit. So it's now a lot later. It is 7:40. I'm still in the hotel. As you can tell, the hair is up, the makeup is gone, and I've actually changed my outfit as well. Like, things are just changing rapidly around here. My parents are actually down at the little lounge area, and they're eating some like supper and stuff. But I was feeling hella disgusting, and I'm still feeling pretty gross. And I was feeling like super bloated, and I'm still a little bit like that, but feeling a little bit better now for sure. I think it's because I'm eating a lot of irregular food here. Yeah, I think that's kind of my issue right now. So we were gonna go to the earlier electric parade, I believe it's called, at 8, but now we think we're gonna go to the later one, which is at 10. Which is after the fireworks. I just texted my mom and I was like, can you bring me up a flatbread or quesadilla or something from the lounge, just so I can eat it here before we go, because I was really not feeling hungry. If you guys have ever been bloated before, you know the feeling where you think you should eat something, but you don't think your stomach can physically handle it, you know? So now I'm starting to feel a little more hungry, but I don't know, I'm not like crazy or anything, so I guess we'll have to see how it goes. But yeah, that's about it for now. I'll talk to you guys later. This looks bomb. Thanks, Mom.
Mom? What about me?
Well, Dad or Father doesn't rhyme with bomb.
Get the shaft.
Alright, homies, so we're gonna head out to the fireworks. So fireworks are done. I think this may have been the best fireworks I've ever seen here, at least that I can remember. They were bomb. Now we are waiting just for the parade. So that parade was insane. It was probably one of the best parades we've ever seen, and we are Disney fanatics, so that's saying a lot. Now we're just heading through downtown Disney, going back to our hotel, and you know, chill out for the rest of the night. I'm too grandma to do anything else. Alright guys, so we're back in the hotel now. We're getting ready for bed, so I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. But yeah, we'll see you tomorrow for California Day 5? 5? That's cray. That's cray. Okay, good night. Good morning, everybody. I know you're seeing a raw face right now. It's currently 8:37 a.m.